So I thought I would record a very short video just explaining how to use your Texas Instruments calculator to solve pH problems. Now we'll talk about pH in lecture, so I'm not going to explain the concept of pH, but what I want you to be able to do is refer to this video if you get frustrated trying to solve the problems because you're struggling to remember how to punch the buttons in the calculator. So let's try doing a couple of quick problems. We know that pH is equal to the negative log of the concentration of hydrogen ions. So that's our kind of reference point for solving these problems. Let's say that you have a solution of blood, and you know that it has a hydrogen ion concentration that's equivalent to 3.98 times 10 to the minus 8. And you want to determine what the pH is. So what is the pH? So what we need to do in this particular case is we're going to take the negative log of 3.98 times 10 to the minus 8. And you can do that really easily on your calculator. So the pH of blood equals the negative log of 3.98 times 10 to the minus 8. So I'm going to turn on the calculator. I'm going to clear it. And what I need to do is take this negative log. So we're going to go log, and then I'm going to type in 3.98 times 10 to the minus 8. So 3.98. And then to get the exponents, you hit the second function and then EE, and then negative 8. And I'm going to close the parentheses and enter. And it tells me that this answer, this part of the answer here, is negative 7.4. But of course, the pH is the negative log, so we're taking the negative this, so the pH itself is equal to 7.4. So the pH of blood is 7.35 to 7.4. So we've successfully solved that particular problem. Okay, let's say we want to go the other direction. So in this particular case, let's say that we know the pH of stomach acid is 2.25. And this isn't strictly accurate. The pH of your stomach acid is between 1.5 and 3 or so. It's very acidic, but let's say it's 2.25 for one individual stomach measured on a particular given day. So if the pH of their stomach acid is 2.25, and we want to go back now, and our question that we're trying to ask is, what is the H3O plus concentration? That's what we want to know. What's the H3O plus concentration in this stomach acid? So what we're going to do is we're going to take the inverse log, which is basically 10 to the x, okay? And x in this case is going to be the negative pH. And that will give you the hydrogen ion concentration. So on our calculators, we're just going to make sure we're cleared here. We're going to go second function, because the 10x is in the blue. Okay, and then we're going to type in negative 2.25, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And we get a hydrogen ion concentration that's equal to 5.62 times 10 to the minus 3. All right, I hope those two examples help you when you're using your calculator to solve pH problems.